Hello everyone, welcome to ElliottWave.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is July 16th. The chart of the day for today is silver, 60 minutes time frame. And we can see right here, we finished with P at 63.33. So that means we are now within a select down. Within select should be a 5 ways down. And we should be close to finishing one of C. Then after that, we might get a rally before lower again to continue 3 of C, 4 of C, or 5 of C. Now, this is the most aggressive view, okay? But I think you do need to be careful chasing the downside. Let me tell you why. If we zoom out on the daily time frame. Now, first of all, this is the all-time high earlier in January this year. If we just simply measure the extension from here, now we can see 100% extension at 39. Now, this seems to be a little bit too low, but there is a lot of times where it does not reach the exact 100% extension, right? Now, remember, because we make all-time high, the trend is still bullish regardless how big the correction has been. But we are basically coming down, pulling back from all-time high. So that means the right side on the right, the overall trend for the time being still remains bullish. Okay, so this current pullback, the last 6 months or so, has been a correction, right? It's a big correction. Now, whether or not we reach $39, it remains to be seen. That think of it as a possibility for now, but it does not have to happen, right? And when you look at gold and when you look at silver, there are two channels that is very important. The first channel is the most important channel is this one. This is the most important channel. If we at any point, if we rally and break above and close above this trend line on the, let's say on the daily basis. So let's say we close above 71. So let's say we are $75, $80. Then that will tell you the cycle is over, right? Whether we go down first before we break, or we break now, or we go down but truncate without reaching 39 and break. But at any point when we close above this trend line, this bearish channel, then there is a big possibility this cycle is over. But we are not yet there, right? As you can see, we are not yet there. And then the second channel that is also very important is this one. Now, this one is the one that is very interesting, guys, right? This second channel. Now, this second channel here is kind of the intermediate channel, right? This is the channel from here, this cycle here. Now, for now, you can still say we are still within the channel, but it's borderline breaking. Honestly, it's borderline breaking. Now, if it really wants to go down, it better actually go down now, because if it just continues to linger a little bit longer, then rally a little bit more, then actually this cycle or this channel can be broken. And if it is broken, what that means simply is not that, okay, silver is done, we're going to go to new high. No, but we can say this cycle could be finished, right? If the cycle is finished, what can you expect is correcting that cycle. So a correction against the cycle can go to 50%, 60%, retracement, and so on. So it wouldn't surprise me, because we are so close to breaking, it wouldn't surprise me, let's say, if we, even despite what looks like a 5 ways or 5 swing, we can actually still break higher if we fail to extend lower now. And once we break higher, I think we can retest this. So it will become a tourist rally from here and retest somewhere around 67, 68, 69. And then that will be a big test. Again, it's not according to the chart, but I see this one as a strong possibility since we are near breakout of the channel. Okay. Now, I'm not saying you should be buying, but I said this is a real possibility, and that's why I don't think chasing is a good idea. That's what I'm saying. So even though the chart is calling for another leg down, the most aggressive view, it is not a good idea to chase based on where we are right now. Now, Yeah, so 67 will be in the test, the big test, assuming this is breaking high. This is a big test. And in fact, if it breaks above here, 67 doesn't mean we cannot go down anymore. We still could. Look, for example, we can what might happen is we can do trace rally like this and then get rejected and go down again and take a while before reaching 39, or it can go down quickly, right? Go down quickly but without reaching 39, stopping here around $50, 49, 48, and then starts to rally. So again, this is the key bearish channel, right? This one. Once it does break above it, then I think then you will get a more sustained rally in silver. Until then, it's gonna be tough, right? It's gonna be tough, and we still can see more downside. All right, so that's the idea, guys. So again, I think this one risky to chase. If it does a double 67, if you are still bearish, you can try one more time to see if you can decline from here, this area. But if it breaks above this channel and close above, you get out. That means silver is done and could potentially see a much bigger rally going to 80, 90. We can go here $90 again if we manage to close above this bearish channel. Okay, so that's the idea, guys. If you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and you can use the link in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day to you all.